Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing something a little bit different. I am reviewing a product. Excuse my voice, I have been a little bit under the weather, but that's okay because I'm still gonna do this video. So today I'm going to be reviewing a product that I've been keeping my eye on because I've been hearing so many awesome things about, which is why my hair looks so crazy today. I am reviewing this Revlon Salon One Step Hair Dryer and Volumizer. I've been seeing this on Instagram. My friend's been talking about it. So then I got a little bit curious and I was like, you know, I wonder if it really works. So I thought to go out and buy it. It's not that expensive. It's only $60. I am doing like a first impression on this dryer. I haven't used it. I literally just took it out of the box. This is what it looks like. It's pretty big. Like if you could see, I do have small hands, but look at it compared to like my head. It's like pretty big, which I thought was pretty cool. It's not that heavy. I thought it would have been much heavier because it's so big, but it's not. So basically this is supposed to straighten your hair and like volumize it like how it would at the salon, supposedly. That's the rave. The reason why I got really intrigued by this is because like I normally wouldn't get intrigued by products like this if I just see regular people with straight silky hair do it. And I'm like, okay, that doesn't work because I don't have that kind of hair. So once I seen Irene Sarah, that's her IG, but her real name is Irene Khan. She is like Middle Eastern. I'm not really sure exactly from where, but she has like that Indian, super long, thick black hair, kind of like I do. So she was raving about it too. So I'm kind of like, okay, I think I might try it because of that. So basically my hair, as you guys all know, I've done the Botox before, but it's been like over 6 months. So it's worn off, not completely. So my hair isn't as frizzy as it used to be, but it definitely is frizzy. So I'll show you guys what my hair is like. I have extremely thick hair. Every strand of my hair is like yarn. That's how thick it is. So my hair isn't like super duper frizzy, but it definitely is like not silky. So it is like a little bit coarse, it's frizzy, it's thick. And right now my hair is not completely dry. It is still damp. I just washed it coming out of the shower, and then it just kind of air dried while I was doing my makeup. So I'm just gonna put my hair, I'm gonna split my hair to start using this, and then we'll have like a little talk through after the video on how I felt about this. If this doesn't work, then I'm like basically screwed because I didn't do my hair because of this. So it is better work. All right, so I split my hair and I'm like so ready with this big old thing in my hand. Okay, so basically the way you're supposed to use it, you're not supposed to like just brush your hair out. You're supposed to kind of use it how they would at the salon. A lot of people have been saying like, I have no salon experience, never blown out my hair looks great. So as you can see, it's still pretty wet back here, but it's supposed to like blow dry your hair very nicely. I don't know, like I've never used anything like this, so I'm really like skeptical. Okay, so I'm gonna just grab a chunk of hair. You know, I'm not like doing anything precise or anything, and then I'm going to put this on high because there's options here on the bottom and it says off, cool, low, high. So I'm going to put it on high since I have a lot of hair and it's wet. my first strand of hair. Okay, so it doesn't look terrible, but it doesn't look salon quality. So what I've noticed, it didn't really pull my hair. It got a little bit stuck in it, a little, but I'm not sure if the bristles were already this color. They might have been, but this scrub is hot, so be careful. What I kind of am a little skeptical about is that it's not getting really close to my roots. I think I have to, like, when I'm done with this section, I can go into my roots and really do it. So I'm just going to try to dry the rest of my hair. I mean, it doesn't look bad. It is silky. It is soft. It doesn't look bad, okay? I'm not finished yet, so I'm going to finish just this bottom half, and then I will continue. Okay, so I just finished this side just because I wanted to show you guys what it looks like. So it looks pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. I've never blown out my own hair because every time I've attempted to, my hair would look like this, but 10 times bigger. So far so good. Like I said, the only thing I don't like is that inside of my roots, it's not super dry. But I can handle that later, like by getting this in, like to my roots and just like kind of like, you know. So this gets super duper hot, so be careful. Because I think this part is like metal, like the inside. What else? Oh yeah, and then I don't have anything in my hair except for a Chi Infra oil, one of those, the Chi products. I'll post a picture of it here so you guys can look at it. That's the only thing I have in my hair. So far, I'm not 100% impressed yet until I'm done with my hair. So we will see. Finished the bottom half of my hair, and it's a little bit frizzy, but I think I can tame it. It's just a little hard to do right here in this like small space that I'm working with right now. But the bottom of my hair looks pretty freaking good, okay? So I'm gonna continue off camera a little bit, and you know, I'll just come back and forth. But so far I do like it. A lot of people said that this will take like 8 minutes to do their hair, which I see how that kind of works if you have already really silky soft hair. But since I have to go through my hair a few times, it takes a little bit longer. So I'm not gonna put that, because the brand itself isn't claiming to be like super fast, but a lot of people have been saying that they get their hair done in like 10 minutes. I don't know. But I'm just going to take my time because I'd rather my hair look good than look rushed, because I'm trying to see if it's going to be that short amount of time, you know? So I'm going to continue my hair and I will be back. I just finished my hair and it is hot. So this thing got super duper hot. It didn't pull out a lot of hair because that's what I heard on like comments and stuff. The bristles though are already like damaged. It seems like from the heat they look burnt. So I can't imagine what it's doing to my hair in there. Overall, like as far as like hair, like what my hair looks like, it looks good. Not my favorite. It's straight, it's soft. You know, it doesn't have too much frizz, but my only issue is that it's super duper hard to get it inside on my roots. So that's my only issue. It does leave my hair super voluminous and super duper soft, so I do like that. My overall thoughts on this product overall. So for girls with like my similar hair type, does it work? Yeah, it works. It does work. Did it take 10 minutes? No, of course not. I want to say it took me like a good 30-ish minutes or so. Like I'm not like too amazed by it. Like my ends look okay. The only problem is the roots. Like I couldn't really get into my roots, so I would have to go through with a flat iron. I'm gonna see how my hair holds up. Normally when I get my hair blown out, I keep it in for like 2 weeks. So what I'm gonna have to do is go in with my flat iron on my roots. Other than that, I do like it. It's just really hurt my hand after doing it for a while because I had to like, I think the key is to like really get it as close to your roots as possible, like the brush, and then pull your hair in, like twirl your hair into it and then push out so that you get that blow dryer feel, you know. But like I said, it did leave my hair super duper voluminous. Would I use it again? You know, I probably would. I'm probably gonna keep it. I don't know. I'm like still on the fence. So the reason why I'm like a little bit on the fence about it is because I've read reviews that it stops working after a few uses, after a few months. People said that it smells like burnt, stops turning on, and I kind of see why, because it's just so much heat. So I was literally nervous the whole time that something was gonna happen and it was gonna like start like smoking, and it didn't, so I'm really happy about that. So would I recommend you guys buy it? Yeah, you know, try it. It's cheap, it's pretty fast, it got the job done. Maybe not like I normally like it, but you know, I'm not mad at it. So it did what it's supposed to do. My salon does a better job, but like I'm not gonna front, it's pretty good. I'm really impressed. I think I would probably use it again. Like if I don't want to spend the money to go to the salon, I would just do it myself instead of using a flat iron. I just need to see how my hair holds up, you know, like outside, outdoors. And as far as like my split ends, because I'm like looking at it right now and it's looking a little crazy down there, but not super crazy. Like you see, like it still looks pretty good. I would give this like a thumbs up instead of a 2 thumbs up, because it got the job done and it did straighten my hair and it didn't leave it like this huge crazy mess like it normally would. So I'm super impressed with that. It's just super duper hot, but you can do it pretty fast if you section your hair out appropriately and not a big mess like I did. Obviously I needed more like clips and stuff. If you're interested in it and you have similar hair or even like thinner hair or more fine hair or more silky hair, then you'll probably really like this because of that, because it works. Like I said, it's just I feel like the brush head is a little bit big. If it was a little bit smaller, I think it would be better because it would get really into the roots. But other than that, I really don't have any other complaints. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know in the comments below if you guys have tried this or another hair product that is like super cool and easy to use that you want me to try out on my hair. And give us a thumbs up if this was helpful, if it helped you decide on whether or not to buy this. And don't forget to subscribe, of course, to keep up with all my videos. And I will see you all in my next one.